What if I told you that a bus could feel more like a private jet on wheels than public transport? This is the 2026 Toyota Coaster 10-seater VIP, a machine that transforms the humble minibus into a rolling executive lounge. Built on the legendary foundation of the Toyota Coaster and backed by the global reputation of Toyota, this VIP edition takes practicality and injects it with luxury. In markets like Pakistan and parts of Asia, the standard coaster starts around the equivalent of $90,000 to $100,000, but once you step into the 10-seater VIP conversion, depending on customization, you're looking at a figure that can climb well beyond $130,000. And the moment you see it, you understand why. From the outside, the coaster still carries its commanding high-roof silhouette. But in VIP form, it feels more executive than commercial. The bold front fascia, wide windshield, and towering stance give it serious road presence. Subtle chrome accents, upgraded LED lighting, premium alloy wheels, and privacy glass hint that this is no ordinary shuttle. It looks purpose-built for five-star hotels, corporate fleets, diplomats, and luxury tour operators. It's large, yes, but it wears its size with confidence, like it knows it belongs in front of a private terminal rather than a bus depot. Step inside, and the transformation is dramatic. Instead of rows of tightly packed seats, you're greeted by 10 individual captain's chairs, wrapped in plush leather, often fully reclining, sometimes even massaging. Ambient lighting glows softly along the ceiling and floor. Wood trims, starlight-style roof panels, fold-out tables, large entertainment screens, premium sound systems, and even mini refrigerators can be part of the package. The cabin is whisper quiet thanks to added insulation, and the sense of space is extraordinary. This isn't transportation, it's an experience. Whether you're a business executive traveling between cities or a VIP guest on a luxury tour, every kilometer feels indulgent. Under the hood, the 2026 Coaster typically carries a robust 4.0 to 4.2-liter diesel engine designed for durability rather than speed. It's not about racing, it's about smooth, dependable power. The engine delivers steady torque, ideal for carrying passengers in complete comfort, even on highways or hilly terrain. The driving experience is surprisingly composed for something this size. High seating gives the driver commanding visibility, while the suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections with grace. Safety features such as ABS, airbags, reinforced body construction, and stability systems provide peace of mind. And modern infotainment and connectivity upgrades in VIP builds ensure the journey stays as connected as it is comfortable. Of course, it's not perfect. Its size can make tight urban maneuvering challenging, and fuel efficiency isn't its strongest trait. But those are small trade-offs in a vehicle built for presence, comfort, and reliability.